Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about while loop in Python. Loops execute set of statements repeatedly certain number of times. There are two types of loops in Python. One is while, another one is for. Already we discussed about for in the another video. Here we will see while loop. So while loop in Python is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the test expression is true. Suppose if it is false, it will be coming out of the loop. We generally use this loop when we don't know the number of times to iterate beforehand. We have the syntax of the while loop. While condition colon is needed, then we have a set of statements, that is a block of statements which have to be given with intending. Then we have a else statement which is an optional one, else have to be terminated by colon, and we have the statement for. So if the else statement will be executed when the while loop terminates. So give importance to the intending also for the statements 1, 2, 3. So if it is not given with intent, then it will be considered as that statement is outside the while loop. Working of the while loop. In the while loop, the test expression is checked first. The body of the loop is entered only if the test expression evaluates true. If it is false, it will come out of the loop. After one iteration, the test expression is checked again. The process continues until the test expression evaluates to false. So if it is true, it will continue. If it is false, it will be coming out of the while loop. In Python, the body of the while loop is determined through intending. So intending are the spaces which are given within the while loop. So as we discussed in the syntax, statement 1, 2, 3 are given with intending. Intending plays an important role in Python. The body starts with intending. The first unintended line marks the end. Python interprets any non-zero value as true. Maybe like a positive numbers are considered as true value. None and zero are interpreted as false. Here we have a sample code for password protection program. I am giving a message here, password protection system of code crackers, and print only the members are allowed here. And this is a program. Here if you type the username and password correctly, then only you can enter into that. This can be used as a login program in your projects. So username equal to empty quotation. So that is a string here, and we are going to store some values in that. While not username. So here I am using a while loop. We are asking the user to type some username. If the user is not typing the username, again the loop will continue. Again it is asking them to type username. So I am using an input statement used to get input from the user. str is a function which will convert it into a string. So enter the username. Until the user enters the username, this will continue. Then only it will move on to the next step. Then I have another variable pswrd equal to empty quotation. This is also a string, and we are giving it as an empty one. Similar to the username, I have written the code for password also. While not password, when the password is not entered by the user, we have to ask the user to enter the password. So again and again you will be getting this message like enter the password until you enter the password. Then we have set of codings where we can check with the username and the password. I am using a AND operator here, and decision statement if is used here, and you know, if both the statements are true, then the value will be evaluated. So if username equal to double equal to given, so it is a comparison operator. It will check whether the username you have typed is matching with this Python programmer, and then password equal to private. So give importance to the case of the letters also. Uppercase and lowercase letters are different. So if the username is Python programmer and password is private, then you are getting a message like welcome Python programmer. Another user is entering his account with the username Python coder and the password is a coder. See to that coder in the username, it is given in caps. And the print statement is giving a message like welcome Python coder. Next, elif username equal to Deepak and password equal to coding. So he is a person and password he kept as coding. If both are correct, then we are giving a message to that user like welcome Deepak. Then we have some other set of users like elif. Elif is another if statement. Username equal to Devraj and password equal to software. If both are correct, print welcome Devraj. We are giving a welcome message to him. He can access your software now. Elif username is equal to Dave and password equal to software developing, then print welcome Dave. Then elif username equal to guest and password equal to guest. Then if both are guest, print welcome guest. If the username and passwords are not matching with the above said options, then we have the else here and we are printing the message like login failed. So other than these users, nobody can enter the system. So this you can use it in your project also. So we have a different set of outputs here. In the first output, enter username is given and the username is not specified. So it is entering into the while loop again. Again it is asking the user to enter the username. Now you are getting the username as Python programmer. The user types the name as Python programmer. Then it is going to the next step, enter the password. If you are not giving the password, again it is asking you to enter the password. Again third time also it is asking. Then the user is typing the password as private. So the username and password are entered now and both are correct. So it is welcoming as Python programmer. We will see another set of output now. Output 2. Enter the username. Guest I am giving here. Enter the password I am giving as guest. But if you check it here, you will not get answer for this. The login will be denied. The reason is guest we have given with smaller case letters. It won't accept the uppercase letters. So it is case sensitive. So you are getting the message like login failed. And we will see the next set of output. Third output, enter the username. I am giving it in small. Now the guest. Enter the password. It is also given in small. And now it is welcoming the guest. So this is the usage of a while loop. Okay. I think you are thorough with the while loop concepts now. And thank you.
Please subscribe my channel.